Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today I'm here to show you our brand new 2023 Harris 210 Cruiser. Beautiful boat here. This is a pontoon. We've got a couple of nice features here. Flip-up cleats. We've got some lights here, and then a spot here to clip in your fenders. Blue exterior with a silver fence railing. Nice big bimini top up here. Again, this is 21 feet in length. Back here, we do have an extended swim platform with a safety railing, and then a ski tow bar, and this is powered by a 115 Mercury outboard. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features in the interior of this boat. Welcome inside our 2023 Harris 210 Cruiser. As we start back here at the stern, I just want to point out a few of the features here. This does have built-in safety railing so that it's actually legal to ride with passengers underway. Stainless steel ski tow bar for all your water sports. And then throughout this pontoon, we have a lot of storage compartments here. And then also a built-in cooler. Upholstery-wise, this is the Moonlight Gray. Very soft, it's the pillow top fabric here. And then we do have a rear-facing lounger. And it has a couple positions. You can kick back, relax while you're on the water with your friends and family. As we move inside the boat, this does have a layout with a captain and co-captain seating. Both of these chairs do swivel and recline forwards and backwards. At the helm, here we have tilt steering wheel, your standard tacks, and then your Lowrance fish finder. Nice spot here for your drink and to set your phone down. This is powered by Clarion Audio. Great sound quality throughout the boat. And right here, just standing at the helm, got a lot of room here to move around. Got your cover, and then also a little spot here for storage. And then coming into the bow, a couple seats on either side. Again, lots of storage here. These do come up on nice hinges so that your seats aren't just falling on the ground when you're driving the boat. Cup holders on either side, and then you do have spots here to charge your devices as well. So guys, this is located here in Rogers. Feel free to stop by, make an appointment. We'd love to show you around.